Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, let's not waste any time. I'm about to try the Dyson Airwrap for the very first time. Is it worth $600? We are about to find out. No fluff, just results. Let's dive in. So you get around 6 different attachments for different looks. Today I'm going to be keeping it very simple as this is my first time and first impression. So I will be using the smoothing brush and a curling barrel. I just removed any tangles using the brush attachment and it clicks together super fast to change attachments, which is exactly what we need. So first I'm trying out 1.2-inch curling barrel to see what kind of look it gives me, but it did not really work out as you can see. So I had to give it a second try, and then second try we were able to get somewhere, and then I forgot that I'm supposed to cool it down using the button on the Dyson before I release my hair. So I am trying it again. It really takes few misses before you're able to get a hang of how to exactly use this device. So you can see the second try it came out perfectly. So on the other side I'm using 1.6-inch barrel to kind of see the difference between the curls, and I am taking the validation from my sister.
अभी तक ये वाले अच्छे लगे बड़े वाले या ये छोटे वाले ये बड़ा वाला बड़ा वाला
So she chose the 1.6 curling barrel on the left hand side, so that's what I'm going to be using all over my head. Now the idea is not really to get curls but get more of a kind of like a blow dry look, so that's why I'm not pretty much bothered about it, because like I said, this was my first try and literally first impressions, so I just wanted to take it slow and just enjoy the process. I was expecting it to take me like half an hour, 45 minutes, but it just took me like literally 2 hours, so that's why I have to speed up the process over here so you guys don't get bored. So let's get to my first impressions of the Dyson Airwrap. Honestly, I think that it's really beginner friendly. It took a little getting used to it and also a few tries, but once you get a hang of it, it's quick and I love the end result. I really feel like that I did not really use any heat protectant before using the Dyson, which I should have. Like that, it still gave my hair that beautiful shine. So is it worth the investment? I would say if you're looking for a tool that can smooth, curl, and style without damaging heat, I would say yes. So let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about the Dyson. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Before you leave, guess which movie is this song from. Comment your guesses down below. See you the next time. Bye.